So Hole Waimea, our mele we just did, our first kahiko we did, honors our queen once again. It was written on behalf and in honor of her, to remind our opio that we still are Hawaiian, we still have our lands, and one day our queen will get her flag back and be able to, for us to be able to live forever in Hawaii, our aina that we come from. Yeah? So our next mele, Hole Waimea, comes from our aina again, in the Waimea areas. It speaks of our chiefs, Kamehameha's warriors, his chiefly warriors, that wrote a chant in honor of him and how strong the warriors of Waimea were. It speaks of the different winds, in relation to how tough and strong the warriors of Waimea were. So we'd like to do this number, our boys would like to do this number of Hole Waimea.
Oi, Hole Waimea I kahi a kamakani. Hole Waimea I kahi a kamakani hau mai nā lea ke kipu. Hela au kala ihi ana ke alui o I kana hele. O kana hele. A o mahi ki ku aku a o I kamala nai a ke kipu. Holu kamakau ka o Hawaii au I nini au e kai. Ko e nā e hai ke alu kana hele a o waika. E aha e aha e ai. Hole Waimea I ka ihe a kamakani hau mai nā lea ke kipu. Hela au kala ihi ana ke alu I o I kana hele. A o mahi ki ku aku a o e kamala nai a ke kipu. Holu kamakau ka o Hawaii au I nini au e haka apu o koa ea. E hai ke anu kana hele a o waika. E ala e ala e.
Hey no no.
Oh, man, man.